Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you are here. Today I have my Ipsy for March. Oh my gosh, I couldn't remember what month it was for a second. And I also have my Macys, and I have a whole bunch of Ipsy things that I bought, like the drop shop or whatever. They had some deals going on, so I wanted to show you all of that as well. If you haven't already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video and let me know if you've gotten any of the things from the Ipsy shop lately, what your thoughts are on my Ipsy and my Macys, what you got in your Ipsy. Let me know down below. Let's start with Macys because it's kind of easy. So it looks like this is an Elizabeth Arden bestsellers box. It has 5 items listed here, and then it tells you how to gua sha. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, there is that card as well. And then, of course, you get your $5 coupon off of 20. They don't always work. The February one worked. I was able to use that. But some of the other ones I haven't been able to use. So I should contact Macys, especially because I bought some of the sets for, and the coupons are part of what you pay for. I just haven't done that, and I never contacted them about my broken thing in December because that's just how I have been. First 2 items went on the floor. So we have Provage Multi-Restorative Soft Cream, and it's just in this. This is what it looks like. Does it say anything? I had one of these that ended up being like a sunscreen, which was not what I was expecting. Nope, this looks fine, like just a regular cream. Then we have the Provage Anti-Aging Daily Serum 2.0. Apologies for the noisy motorcycles. And this is just a serum, it looks like. Okay, so very similar. You just have to make sure you're paying attention because the packaging is exactly the same. So fun. All right, then we have the 8-Hour Hydroplay Skin Perfecting Daily Moisturizer from Elizabeth Arden. And that's what that looks like. That's not the stuff that Prince Harry was talking about in his book, was it? I feel like it had 8 in it. Don't tell me. Ignorance is bliss in this case. Retinol and HPR Ceramide Rapid Skin Renewing Water Cream is the next one, and it's another squeezy tube. So we got lots of squeezy tubes going on. This is a retinol, so I will definitely use that. I can always use a retinol. And then we have the ceramide capsules that have retinol in them as well. I do like these, and I have gone through some of these in the past. So there's that. The last thing in here is this little red velvet package, and this is really heavy. Oh, it's metal. I was not expecting it to be metal. So I'm going to leave it in the plastic because I don't know if I will use it, but it is super heavy. It is nice that it comes in a case like this. I haven't seen something like that in the past. Usually the gua sha tools that I've seen have supposed to be, you know, a quartz type of crystal, but some of them I swear are just like rock or plastic. They don't feel authentic, if that makes sense. So there's that. So for this month's Macys, we got 5 Elizabeth Arden samples and a gua sha tool. Not my favorite. I will use all of these. I do like Elizabeth Arden skincare. I think they have some nice things. Is it something that I necessarily want to go out and purchase? No, it's not something I think about going out and getting. But overall, not too bad. I wish they bring back the perfumes though. That seems to be something of the past because it's been several months since we've had them, which is such a bummer. Before I show you my Ipsy, I did redeem points because I had points expiring. So I ended up getting, what is up with Ipsy and their points? It is like a day. If you blink, you miss your opportunity to do reviews to get points. There was hardly anything in their rewards boutique this last month. There was like 4 items, and so you had really no not a lot of choice. So I ended up getting the Glowiest Peekaboo AHA PHA Skin Perfecting Toner. I didn't have enough to get an 1800 points one, so this was 1200 points. Not the most exciting thing, but something that I will eventually use. This is the Ipsy bag. This month there is a little strawberry on it, which is super cute. And I like the colored zipper. I like the color. I don't love the material. It feels like recycled plastic bags, that type of material. I was hoping it would be like a cloth instead, but this feels very plasticky. I'm not a big fan of that. All right, we have our little bag, not bag, the card. The tomatoes is so prominent. It was off-putting. Okay, so first thing is what I chose, which is a strawberry brush from SL Miss Glam. I feel like these are not the same quality that she used to have. The handles feel a lot cheaper. They're not, I don't know. They're still super cute, but I just feel like once you started working with Ipsy a lot, they're not the same as if you bought them back in the day. Anyway, this retails for $28. It's a blusher and contour brush. I guess I could use it for a blush. I probably more likely use it for a highlighter, maybe a bronzer kind of thing. But happy for that. I think it's super cute. I do love the strawberries on it, so that one's nice. Then the next thing in here is the largest thing. This is Saturday Skin, and it is the Acai Berry and Oats Antioxidant Gel Cleanser. Okay, can always use a cleanser. This retails for $19 for the full size, which is 150 mils. This is 20 mil. Not too bad. I have a couple cleansers that I'm working on, and then I need to work on some of my full-size cleansers. So that one probably won't get to it for quite a while. The other large thing in here is Cheek Treat by TYS Beauty. This is Juice Liquid Blush. Kind of an interesting color. This is a full size, so it is $22, and the color is Juice. I am going to leave it sealed because I have so many liquid blushes that I need to use up, and I'd rather not contaminate this one, even though this is like a super, like, I don't know. I feel like that color is going to look really nice, be a nice color, but let's not open it. Not break the seal and start the decaying process. Then we have this guy. This is Formula Z. It is the Light Bulb Swirl Liquid Illuminator in Major Vibes. This is a deluxe sample. 15 mil is $25, so this is 5 mil, so this is $5 worth. I don't like liquid highlighters. I think I've decluttered all of my liquid highlighters, so I'm going to just pass this along. Yeah, that will be in my next declutter pass along pile. So that one's kind of a bummer. And then the last one in here is Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. Retails 15 mil for $38, and this is a 3 mil. Super excited about that. I love Glow Recipe. I've had pretty good luck with most of the things that I've tried from Glow Recipe, so excited to try the eye cream now. So we have the bag. Not my favorite bag. I like the little strawberry on it. That's my favorite part of it, and the zipper, but don't love the feel of the bag. Then we have, I'll use the cleanser, I'll use the eye cream, I'll use the brush. I'm really excited about that. I will eventually, I think, try the blush. That's so much blush. Like, this is a huge thing. How many? This is 4 mil. Like, that just seems like a lot of blush, and it's heavy too. And then we'll pass along the highlighter. Probably pass along the gua sha tool also from the Macys box. I feel like they're pretty evenly tied for me. A lot of skincare, which I'll actually use. That's good. But there's some nice things in here too that I'll get some use out of. Neither one of them is super exciting. Maybe this one's a little bit more exciting because of the blush and the Glow Recipe, but let me know which one you think beat. I did one add-on with this, and that is because I have had my eye on the Fenty Beauty blushes for a while. I've had this in my Sephora Loves list, and I went and looked, and I was like, oh, yeah, that's the exact one that I have in my list. So I picked up Petal Poppin', And this is just a pink. Oh, there's no mirror. I like that. Little paper. This is so pretty. Look at that color. It almost looks like somebody stuck their finger in it already, though. That's weird. I don't know. Can you tell? Can you see what I'm seeing? Maybe not. All right, let's give it a swirl. I swatched up at top. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm really excited about this. I actually think I'm going to break this out and maybe wear this to work this week. Okay, everything else, it was a couple of orders. One I got a free gift with, and that's why I was going for what I did. And the other one, I think they were 2 bundles. Yeah. So I picked up some of these bags that were $3. I thought they were cute. This one with the little lips. It says XO on it. This lovely kind of velvet one with the little handle. And then this one I had wanted back in the day when they did all the houndstooth ones. So I picked this one up. They were just bags all by themselves. Okay, with that order, I know I picked up this duo. This was like $12. I think it was 12. It might have been 18. Let me look. I just went and looked in my email. These were $20 for 2. This is Dolce by Rosie Jane. I couldn't think of the name. And I do have a travel spray of this already, but 2 of them for $20. This is a beautiful, like, vanilla kind of desserty type scent. What are the notes? Vanilla, hinoki wood, and nude musk. It's really nice. I like Dolce, so how could I pass up $10 for a rollerball? Not a rollerball, a purse spray. Really good on that. I also picked up this Vacation Classic Lotion. It is a sunscreen. This was $5. And I had a sample of this that I quite liked. So it's SPF 30. I'm going to use this probably this summer. I don't know how much I'm going to use. When does it expire? It doesn't expire until 2026. So I got a little time on it. This guy was $6. This is the Pixie Rose Oil Blend. And this is a face oil that I've had in the past. And I've been going through face oils pretty regularly because I use them on my neck and chest with a gel moisturizer. I just need like doubling up. I like to double up. So that was a good deal. I picked up this creamy coffee scrub. Is this for your face or your body? It says avoid eye area. I think this was a face scrub, if I remember. It is Terre de Mars, and it is a Celeste creamy coffee scrub. Picked that one up for $3. And then my free gift was this Grown Alchemist. I did not realize it was going to be a full-size Grown Alchemist. And this is the polishing facial exfoliant. So I have a nice full-size face scrub, which is good because I have been kind of low on face scrubs. I have one left that is actually one that you're supposed to leave on for a couple minutes, but other than that, I have used up all of my face scrubs, at least that I know of. Then I picked up these 2 sets. So both of these duos were $16. This first one is the anti-chafe stick from First Aid Beauty. I'm going to pass that along like I did with the other one that I got. And then I got this one because I thought it was a face scrub. I didn't realize it was a body scrub, but I might just use it as a face scrub depending on how strong it is. It's the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Body Polishing Exfoliator. Let's see. This is kind of, yeah, I think I probably will use this on my face, to be honest, because it's not as scrubby actually as their regular stuff. So yeah, we'll end up using that as a face scrub. Do as they direct, not as I do. And then my other one was this set for $16. So this is the Rodial Dragon's Blood Eye Gel, Hydrate and Tone. And that looks like to be a full size. So we have that guy. And then we also have this one, which is the reason I got it. And it is the Murad Resurgence Retinol Resculpt Overnight Treatment. And I actually almost purchased another one of these when they were on sale at Ulta 21 Days, but I'm glad that I didn't because they were way more expensive. So $16 and I get a bonus eye gel. All right, that is it for my Macy's beauty box and my Ipsy and all of the Ipsy add-ons. Let me know what you have picked up, if there have been any deals that you were tempted by or that you succumbed to. Let me know down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.